My hair is just not situated properly. Anyways, here we go. To my channel. Today I've got this makeup look for you guys. I'm not going to make this intro too long because I do tend to get chatty, I know. I just want to let you know that my foundation routine is going to be linked down below. That is the only thing that I didn't film because again it's very repetitive, but all the products as usual will be down in the description bar. So if you haven't hit subscribe, please do so. Like, comment, share, and let's jump right into the tutorial. I'm going to start off with applying this shade to my eyelids. This is called Baby K from the NudeStix Magnetic Matte Lip Crayons. This is a lip crayon, but it is very, very pigmented and also dries down matte and does not move. So, which is why I like to use these as multi-sticks. Now I am using two different eyeshadow palettes for this makeup look, but they're from the same brand. By no means is this sponsored by the brand, but I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and also the Huda Beauty Smokey Eye Obsessions palette as well. So in the Dusk palette, I'm going to be starting off with a transition shade, and I'm going to be using the shade right here. It is called Eden. So next from the palette, I'm going to be picking up the shade Blazing right here. It's a nice orange shade. And I'm going to be applying that just to the inner portion of my eye, right until the center of my eyelids. And I'm going to concentrate this color just on the mobile lid. But I'm bringing it just to the center here, or 3/4 of the way through. And I'm going to be leaving the outer ends of it blank. So then I'm taking my Rimmel Exaggerate brown eye pencil, and I'm going to be just outlining the edge and creating like a soft gradient just on the outside edge, like so, because that's where I want it to be the most smoky. And then I'm going to go in with a small detailer brush and fade it out. This is just going to act like a base before I apply the top eyeshadow. And then you should have something similar that looks like this. We're going to go on top of this and then apply our next shade. So I'm going to be picking up the shade from the Huda Beauty Smokey Obsessions palette. And I'm going to be going in with this really dark brown shade here. So I'm just going to be picking this up and applying this to the outer edges. And this is a Morphe M507 brush. I am going to be linking all the brushes and tools that I use down below in the description bar, along with the products that I used as per usual. Next, I'm just taking this shader brush that we used to apply the orange eyeshadow, and I'm just going to be smoking out or blending out the edges actually. Using the same detailer brush, I am going to be lining my top lash line. So next I'm going to be picking up the shade right here. It's called Blood Moon. It's like a rusty reddish orange metallic shade, and I'm going to be applying this with a detailer brush, and I'm going to keep that just on top of that orange that we laid down earlier, just in the center. Next, I'm also going in with Angelic on that same brush and applying that all over the eyelids as well, where we applied Blood Moon, just to give it a softer peachy tone. So at this point, your eyes should look something like this. I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my face, and then I will come back and continue on with the eye look. Again, I'm using the Rimmel Exaggerate eyeliner. And I'm going to blend this out with a flat shader brush first. So I picked up the shade Blazing, and now I'm going to be applying this and smoking out the bottom lash line. I'm using a Morphe bullet brush for this. I'm going back in with this brown shade right here on that flat shader brush. I'm just going to be further applying this to the top lash line to darken it up a little bit more. I'm using the Rimmel Exaggerate liner in black this time to tightline. Alright guys, so I decided to throw on some mascara and lashes, and I used the Ardelle Faux Mink lashes in the style 118. They are really fluffy and fluttery on the sides, and they basically have that elongated cat eye sort of an effect to your eyes, or the illusion. So they are really, really nice, but they are super long. So if you have smaller eyes, you may want to cut them. I did have to cut quite a significant bit off the ends. So yeah, I'm gonna move on to the rest of the face and do the contouring and lips. So for contouring, I'm gonna be using the Get the Pretty Started palette. This is by Benefit. It is a nice little trio like this, and it has your Hoola bronzer. I think this is the regular Hoola. So yeah, so as your Hoola bronzer, a California, like a peachy blush, and then the What's Up highlighter. This is a cream formula. So I am going to be using the Hoola to bronze my skin. This is a great travel palette too, you guys. Like, this is so compact. It has like everything you need in one. So it's a great palette if you're on the go for traveling and you're a light packer like I am. So I am going to be picking up this blush shade on this is a Real Techniques blush brush. And I'm just going to be applying this to the apples of my cheeks. Again, something very soft. This is a really, really pretty peachy pink blush. It has a bit of sparkles to it, but you can't really see the sparkles on the skin. It doesn't translate onto your skin, so it's really nice. I am going in with the same highlight as well, but I'm going to be using a sponge, a damp sponge for that. So I'm just going to be dipping my beauty blender right into the product, and I'm going to be applying that to the tops of my cheek area. You can see it just added just a really nice shine. I'm just going to be quickly setting my face with the Dewy Finish by NYX. I'm going in with the CoverGirl Lip Perfection. This is in Intense Smoky. And for my gloss, I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade Unreal. I'm just going to apply that to the center. And that is it for this video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. I would love to get some more subscribers and viewers, and I hope you guys stick around and support this channel, and I will see you again next time on my next video. Bye for now.